Amazon isn't just building warehouses or selling everything online. They're taking aim at the entire AI chip market, and Nvidia's dominance could be in trouble. Here's what most developers overlook. Almost every major AI model, from GPT to custom language engines, runs on Nvidia GPUs. It's been a one-horse race in silicon for deep learning. What does that mean? Training costs keep climbing, and those costs get pushed directly onto developers, founders, and anyone building in the space. For AI engineers, the bottleneck isn't just bandwidth or data storage. It's the chip layer itself. But Amazon has been quietly and quickly developing their own solution. They've rolled out custom Trainium and Inferentia chips, designed specifically for machine learning and AI training. This isn't just about boosting performance. It's a fundamental shift in how much it costs to build and deploy models. If you're working with transformer architectures or scaling your startup's inference pipelines, this could translate to cheaper, faster production on AWS. These chips are real, and the benchmark numbers aren't just marketing talk. Motley Fool and Yahoo Finance are raising red flags. Amazon is now pushing its proprietary hardware into AWS at scale, training internal models like Bedrock, and offering direct chip-to-chip comparisons. According to Amazon's own data, Trainium chips deliver up to 40% lower cost and training time compared to Nvidia's gold standard, the H100, on transformer-based tasks. The H100 commands over 80% of the AI accelerator market, and Nvidia's stock has soared because of it. But Amazon is betting big, introducing new EC2 instances, offering better price to performance, and driving real developer testimonials and production workloads. For investors, the risk is tangible. For builders, it's a potential windfall in savings. Trainium isn't just another GPU dropped into a server rack. Its architecture is optimized for deep learning's matrix math, delivering more compute per watt and running with higher memory bandwidth. With EC2 TRN1 instances, you get up to 16 chips in a single node, ready for LLMs and transformer inference. For live models, Inferentia 2 chips handle real-time BERT predictions and GPT variants, with latency improvements built right in. The technical payoff? You don't need to rewrite your PyTorch or TensorFlow models. AWS compiler stacks handle the conversion, compiling your code down to custom instructions and optimizing the runtime for the chip. Your workflow stays familiar, but your costs drop. Why does this matter? Nvidia's lead has barely been challenged since CUDA arrived. Google took a swing with TPUs, but their cloud doesn't reach as far. Amazon is the first to combine massive scale cloud with a serious custom chip portfolio. So who stands to win and lose? Startups laser-focused on cost will pivot hard. Teams optimizing transformer inference should expect major savings. Big enterprises running pipelines on AWS finally have real alternatives for price and performance. And switching to Amazon's chips is nearly seamless. Nvidia will fight back. Expect price cuts, new partnerships, and a rush to roll out new features. For teams still running on premises, Amazon Silicon could make cloud migration even more appealing, cutting hardware expenses and operational headaches. Here's my take. This is underrated. Nvidia's ecosystem has a lot of inertia, but Amazon's hardware move is a bigger shift than most people realize. It's more than hype. It's backed by real savings and faster timelines. AI engineers should start running benchmarks on Trainium now. Don't just trust marketing. Price per model matters more than press releases. Benchmark results will determine whether this is a true revolution, not just speculation. The only risk is ignoring the opportunity. So, as a builder, which way would you go? Would you trust your next model training run to Amazon's Trainium, or stick with Nvidia H100